Yo, I'm 𝐂𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐚 over here, and this here is Kia Cerato EX. Car is in great condition, 13,000 plus Depre, and comes with 10-year engine warranty from official dealer. Let's have a closer look. Very beautiful white color body and very nice design. Comes with also sport rims. Boot space is very large, also give you free magnetic shades. Spacious rear room for passengers, beautiful leather interior with stitching and rear passenger aircon. Let's go in. This is the view from driver's perspective. Multifunctional steering wheel, keyless start and keyless entry. We got two 12 volts and a USB. You have drive mode selection, can choose between comfort and economy. Your infotainment screen with reverse camera, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Handbrake that you can pull, very nice, and place to keep your sunglasses. Also very convenient. Leather is in immaculate condition, as you can see. On a COE, we still have 4 years, 2 months left. This car is fully agent serviced and 10-year engine warranty, as I already mentioned. You all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.